Sa initial discussions namin ni SP, we are hoping that we can move in before the end of 2026. Yun ang hope. So actually, SP is also talking to, I'm not at liberty to ano pa yung groups kasi parang palitan pa lang ng ideas, but it's going to get a professional group to also study yung departments ng personnel departments, functions ng Senate. And remember, it's different now running the GSIS Senate offices from a building with 4 towers. So even yung pinaka-mayor mo doon or building administrator, pag-aaralan namin yung office niya. No? So we're studying everything including, for example, di ba yung kung may ID ka na Senate at papasok ka or yung time card mo, so usually yan sa personnel. But of course, the security has to be the one to issue the card and also monitor.